I am going to show you how to add a device in Commonsense Iot Platform. Applies to all devices that should communicate with Commonsense LoRa server, the LoRaWAN network, server by vertical M2M, for managing your LoRa devices. Before starting, check in our website. If the device is a Commonsense ready device, go to Technology, Strong Ecosystem, and then Commonsense ready devices. If not, send request to vertical M2M support team. Here we show how to add a LoRaWAN field test device from Adonis. We check if it is CS ready. It is, we can add it. Go to the device products page. Select the LoRaWAN field test device product from Adonis, then click on the plus icon. Fill in required information about device, label, then select container, and then set the attributes. By default, add to distant backend field yes in order to declare the device in Commonsense LoRa server and in Commonsense Iot Platform simultaneously. Only set this field to no if you are certain the device is already declared in CS LoRa server. For devices communicating with CS LoRa server, the dev ID, dev EUI, app EUI and app key are mandatory. Dev ID and a string of lowercase character can contain hyphens but not start with one. Dev EUI, app EUI and app key usually given by the supplier of your device. Geolocation is not needed here because the field test device can send its own, otherwise you can set one manually. The rest of the fields can be left as the default values. Validate the form, device is added in CS Iot Platform and CS LoRa server. From the list of devices, use, for example, the device category filter to see it. Check the device's dashboard from the device's provisioning list page simply by clicking on the first icon on the left in the action column. State is unavailable, normal because I did not start my device yet. This is what I will be doing right now. Make sure to have a working LoRaWAN gateway configured to communicate with CS LoRa server beforehand. Otherwise, the device cannot send message to CS Iot Platform. Check the appropriate documentation to learn more about gateway configuration. Page refreshes itself every 2 minutes. You can also refresh it manually to see when the device changed state. Working state means the device properly started and sent message to CS Iot Platform. It's possible to see its first data directly from the dashboard by selecting one or more data types in data selection and then clicking on the graph. That's all for this video. Thank you for listening, and if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us. See you soon in Commonsense Iot Platform.